Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel where we make home repairs easy and fun. Today, I'm sharing some of my favorite home repair hacks that will save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, these tips are perfect for everyone. So, grab your tools, roll up your sleeves, and let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about fixing a leaky faucet. A leaky faucet is one of the most common household issues, but also one of the easiest to fix. It's a small problem that can lead to big water waste if not addressed promptly. Start by turning off the water supply under the sink. This is crucial to avoid any water mess while you work. Then use a wrench to remove the handle and disassemble the faucet. Take your time to carefully remove each part. Replace the worn-out washer or O-ring, which is usually the culprit behind the leak. Reassemble the faucet, ensuring all parts are securely in place, and turn the water back on. Voila! No more dripping. Next, let's tackle those squeaky doors. Nothing's more annoying than a door that creaks every time you open it. But don't worry, there's a simple fix for that. Grab some petroleum jelly or cooking spray and apply it to the hinges. These household items work wonders in lubricating the hinges and stopping the noise. Open and close the door a few times to work it in, and you'll have a silent door in no time. Now for those of you dealing with small holes or dents in your walls, I've got a quick patching solution. All you need is some spackling paste and a putty knife. These are inexpensive and can be found at any hardware store. Simply fill the hole with the paste, smooth it out with the knife, and let it dry. This process is quick and easy, and it will make your walls look as good as new. Once it's dry, sand it down lightly to ensure a smooth surface, and you're ready to paint. This will blend the patch seamlessly with the rest of the wall. It's that easy. Have you ever noticed your toilet running constantly? This is usually caused by a faulty flapper. To fix it, turn off the water supply to the toilet and flush to empty the tank. This will make it easier to work on the flapper. Then, remove the old flapper and replace it with a new one. Make sure the new flapper is properly aligned and secured. Turn the water back on, and your toilet should be good as new. Lastly, let's talk about a common refrigerator problem: a clogged defrost drain. If you notice water pooling at the bottom of your fridge, this could be the issue. A clogged defrost drain can cause water to back up and pool inside the fridge. Unplug the fridge, locate the drain hole, and use a pipe cleaner or a small brush to clear any debris. This will ensure that the drain is clear and functioning properly. Flush it with warm water to remove any remaining debris, plug the fridge back in, and you're done. Your fridge should now be free of any water issues. There you have it. 5 simple home repair hacks that anyone can do. Remember, the key to successful DIY repairs is taking your time and paying attention to the details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more handy tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content to help you with your DIY projects. Happy fixing, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.